Hello guys, this is Level Crossing Ireland at Freemount Level Crossing. Let's get into it, shall we boys? As this level crossing here, Freemount Level Crossing, is some halogen lights with SPX barriers, 3.5 ways for each of the barriers, 2 small ones, 2 bigs, and Yoda alarms, which we do not even know just yet. And we have some 4 emergency phones, one's inside, one outside, one inside, and the same on the other side. And the crossing number, XT86. And so here we're waiting for your 1710 from Tralee Casement to Cork by, or should I say Cork can't. Sorry, I'll stop. So it won't be coming from that far from Killarney over there and down towards its next stop, Rathmore. That's all for now, and I shall see you when it comes down. And there we go, and so our time's now 17:56, so waiting for your 17:10 from Tralee Casement to Cork, Kent. So it's going to be coming from Killarney down there and off to its next stop, which is Rathmore. Almost sounded like a bit like Goran, but big. Well, a little quicker than Goran. But it sounds the same as Ballyhar. Yeah, this is a bit faster than Ballyhar than I can remember. Silent in the dead of night. man. I think I can hear the engine in the distance. I must be tripping a bit. Okay. This is the longest I've been in a crossing. Oh, I can see the lights. I can see the lights from approaching. It's an ICR 200 class coming along. And we have... Oh, it's a 2.6. Okay, that was... Up they go. There we go for Freemount Level Crossing. Here is a little note for you. Hit the like and subscribe and slam hammer on the bell icon so you'll never miss a new video on this channel. And that is their Level Crossings Ireland signing off. I shall see you in the next video.